Welcome to this tutorial on Kotlin extension functions for beginner programmers. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about extension functions and how they can improve the readability and reusability of your code. An extension function is a function that allows you to add new functionality to an existing class without modifying the class itself. This means that you can extend a class with new methods, making it easier to read and write code with fewer lines of code. To create an extension function, you need to define the extension function outside of the class and specify the name of the existing class that you want to extend. In the above code snippet, class name represents the name of the class that you want to extend. You can use this extension function on any object of that class type by calling it on the object itself. Let's take an example of extending the string class with an extension function to reverse the string value. In the above example, you can use this function on any string object by calling its name on the object. Now let me show you how to use it. In the above code snippet, we have created a string object and used the extension function reverse on it to print out the reverse string nitl. That's it for today's tutorial. In summary, extension functions in Kotlin provide an elegant way to add new functionality to existing classes without modifying them. This helps in improving the code readability and reusability. Thanks for watching and happy coding!